idea. I think I just singed off my underarm here. What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. This is episode 4 of the Ultimate Push Car. Today, we're working on quieting down the Abarth a little bit. While the exhaust sounds pretty good at most RPMs, there is a rasp right around, what is it, like 2300, 2400? Something like that, like 2300, 2400 RPM. So we actually went and got a vibrant 12-inch resonator, one of the bottle style, so we got to weld it in. We had a piece of pipe laying around here, so we're working on the settings. This looks to be pretty decent where we want to be, which is wire speed just over 3, voltage on C. So we're going to work on mocking it up in the car. So we're going to work on cutting the pipe and making sure everything fits correctly. And since it's pretty easy to drop the exhaust down, seeing as it's one clamp in the rear and the connection we did for the downpipe up front. So we can go ahead and pull the whole pipe and get a good bead all the way around it, make sure we don't have any exhaust leaks. So we're gonna set up the camera now and I guess work on cutting out the exhaust.
All right, guys, so just to elaborate a tad more on the process and what we're gonna do, Josh is gonna bring the resonator over here and he's gonna mark it up so that we can see more or less, you know, a rough cut of where it's gonna go.
I think that's about good right there, right?
I'd say that's right.
Nice and center in the car.
Yeah.
Or should we come a little bit further back? I mean, there's plenty of room all the way around.
There's 2.5 feet there to put it wherever you want.
So, I mean, that's not gonna get close to anything. So that's about the outside of the pipe right there.
How much inlet do we have how much room do we have on the inside there? About a half an inch?
Pretty decent amount.
No, it's going to be
substantial amount. So I mean, I can go 3/4 inch.
Yeah,
you know.
It doesn't matter.
So that'll be our inside line right there. So we just need to cut right there.
We made some upgrades here at the shop as well for lighting. Since Robbie can't handle being plugged in, we got him a battery powered light.
Hi everybody.
And he's doing much better. He's doing much better.
All right.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut this out right now.
Wait, that's the wrong part. It needs to be cut on here.
Safety first. Look at him using his eyelids as safety glasses. Backwards hat, not protecting his face.
So my only technical difficulty would be battery running out. That's about it. But I have a solution.
You grab the smallest battery here. Well, there are about 18 batteries here. You grab the smallest one.
This one wouldn't fit. I mean.
All right. So after addressing some minor safety concerns, we're gonna go ahead and give this another crack.
You think after LASIK, I'd be a little bit more careful with my eyes, but doesn't seem to be the case. Oh.
Your LASIK was more expensive than this vehicle.
It was. About double.
Woo! Caught a little bit of that heat shield. No big deal.
That'll do.
It ain't going anywhere.
That'll do. So how'd you like your safety goggles?
They work great.
They're a little dark, but
There's plenty of light here, though.
Oh, okay. I'm good.
all right. So now I guess we'll just go ahead and make that second cut and start fitting the resonator on.
It's still there.
Well, I mean, let's see how close we got. Clean that up all the edges now with a flat disc. Well, it slides on. That's all that we really cared about.
Oh, that's money. That's
All
money.
right, guys, so that's pretty much the fitment. We're gonna go ahead and tack it on, and then we're gonna remove the entire exhaust so we can go ahead and throw a bead all the way around it nice and comfortable.
Because as you can tell, We're professionals at welding already.
This is take 2 of the welding adventure, and we're gonna attempt to weld steel and stainless. So we're gonna join 2 metals on top of that. But
There's not too much of a gap to fill, so I mean, at least I ordered the right size.
Don't worry, don't worry. We got an adjustment here. I don't know if you see this Velcro. Oh, never mind.
that's not Velcro.
I thought it was.
Not Velcro, Robbie.
I was about to say we got adjustments we can make,
He
but
gets happy with the Velcro because that's what he's used to for his shoes.
hey, show them this double knot. Show them this double knot. Oh,
Did your mom tie it for you before you
His
leave the
mom
house?
ties it for him so he can just slip them on in the morning.
yeah.
All right. We need to clean that up with a flat disc.
All right, guys, we're gonna continue this adventure, and we'll check back in with you guys in a couple minutes.
All right, so we got it pretty much lined up where we want it to be. I'm just gonna go ahead and attempt to tack it in.
You turn the machine on?
Wow.
People hand me the trigger. Don't turn on the machine.
It's like if I hand you a gun and you don't check if it's loaded for yourself.
Why don't you shoot it just to check?
That hit me in the top of the foot, whatever that was. Oh, pull some wire out, yeah. Yeah, that's tacked.
Yeah.
That's
It's the
tacked.
gap.
This is not tacked.
All right. Keep in mind, guys, we're learning while you watch all this. We have literally 0 welding experience besides probably what, 20 minutes on the
About
table?
20 minutes of welding experience.
So
That's not 0.
that's pretty much 0.
We had more than we had 20 minutes ago. Hold on, let me grab mine.
Where's mine? I don't have one.
My homemade. Gone now. That's a tack. It's tacked. For all intents and purposes.
Kind of.
It's tacked. It ain't gonna go nowhere.
There it goes. Okay, I guess it wasn't a good ground.
Yeah, that's tacked. Alright, hold on. Put a little piece right here. I hope we can bring it down.
Give the people an initial update of how we stand right now. What are we doing?
Not exactly sure.
Looks like Ray Charles tacked it.
Well, let me
With the
see
help
how-
of Stevie Wonder.
Let me see how that.
It's on there. We can just pull it down.
Huh.
It's not.
Try and tack it on the top.
That seemed to work pretty well. We'll check back in with you guys in a
He
couple
knows
minutes.
how to weld and you don't. That's what's going on here.
He just did the same thing for the past 10 minutes. I almost said an effort.
All right. Let's see what happens.
Let me see, let's see.
Let's see.
Moment of truth.
It's like,
Jesus, stop putting your big head in here.
it's because I have my hat.
No, you have a big head regardless.
Bad move.
It's supposed to sound like bacon in a frying pan.
Let me get in there. So who did that top weld up there?
I just did it.
Yeah, with the hole right in the middle of it.
No, I didn't get to that. That's a tack. Those are tacks. Stop attacking me for my tacks.
That sounds good. That sounds very good. That looks horrible.
Yeah, it sounds good, but it looks bad. Okay, we definitely got to work on what's going on here.
will stop using it. You will.
It's a little hole there.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Right there on the bottom.
You're gonna have to cover that up.
Yeah, let it cool, and I'm actually, that side looks like it'll work.
I guess at this point we're just committing to welding it on the car because we have so much room.
Yep.
I'd agree with that statement. Thoughts?
I should wear long sleeves next time.
Bad idea. I think I just singed off my underarm here.
Why'd you let that happen?
I didn't let that happen. All right, guys, so before all of you go ahead and say it, I'm going to say it. These are probably the ugliest welds I've ever seen in my life. They do appear, however, to be functional.
It's pretty bad. Ray Charles might be proud though.
I'm almost embarrassed to even show it, but hey, ain't no shame in it. It is what it is. This is our first actual attempt at welding something other than, you know, a little
We need
bracket.
to buy a lot of material.
Practice. I mean, welding is 10% watching videos and you know, reading articles, and it's 90% practice. So we're definitely getting the practice in. We're gonna go ahead and lower the car now, turn it on. See if by the grace of God we don't have any exhaust leaks. If not, we're gonna have to put it back up and go at it again. Robbie's cleaning it up.
It'll be all right.
There we go. We'll see how this affects the change of the tone of the exhaust now.
So what are we doing now?
Gonna start it. Oh God, what do we do here?
I just said what we're gonna do now.
Whoops.
Come on, the hair right there.
You should have seen that, but you will. I mean,
That might need a hose clamp to hold it back because it's naturally gonna want to come back over here.
all right, hold on.
Oops.
Right there.
What happened? Exhaust tip. This one was way out.
Start her up, man.
He's trying to get in the vehicle.
The vehicular.
I have 14 chest hairs naturally. I think I lost about 12 of them today.
I'm sorry about that, buddy. Damn. I'm sorry, bud. How do you like that?
They got rid of the exact rasp that I wanted to get rid of. Like a plus 10 on the volume.
Yeah.
I would probably put this at like a plus 4.5 now.
No, it's like a +6 still. It just sounds nice and clean now.
Is that really how you feel?
We lost a little bit of our obnoxious points.
Yeah. But we got more obnoxious points, don't worry.
Yeah, they're coming.
Turn off the lights, show them the obnoxious point.
What do we got, boys? How do you guys feel?
That sounds perfect. I mean, I think Stevie Wonder would be proud of the welds, but
They're functional for our first run. Listen, if it works, that's step number one. Step number two is to make it pretty.
She is that. She is pretty. How do you feel about her after these wheels, bro?
after the wheels, no, wait for Saturday. We got something coming.
Forgot about Saturday.
Yeah.
Oh, man. But ain't she clean, though?
Yeah, we actually need to clean those. But those are coming off now, and we got to pull some stuff off the car because of Saturday. So.
Oh, they're not ready. Did we finally give her a real name, or are we still going with Fifi?
We're still Fifi for right now.
What do you think?
Right now, she's still Fifi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Unless you guys want to give us some suggestions. Her name so far is Fifi. That's her adopted name anyways.
Yeah. She Fifi.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're putting the final touches on this exhaust work. Josh is camouflaging our beautiful welds.
Don't go that far.
They do look better in black. And, I mean, it's
Thank
functional.
God. Thank God Fifi is a Copart car. I'm gonna leave it at that.
Fifi is a Copart car. And she is coming together very nicely, I would
It
say.
sounds good.
No, it sounds awesome.
It sounds amazing.
You guys got to hear this thing in person. It sounds awesome.
I would just like to point out that these two were telling me not to order a resonator, but I did anyway. What's your thoughts now?
It sounds good. It sounded fine before, but it sounds
No, it
good.
did not. It sounded like
It was good enough. Copart car.
Don't sound like my truck, though.
no.
Your truck only makes noise when it starts.
You're right, but it's all good.
Yeah, they fixed it. Anyways, guys, we're going to go ahead and end this off here. We got to do some more work on the car, something you guys are going to see in a future episode. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for today. Like, comment, subscribe. Anything you guys can do, we really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot. We'll catch you guys next time.